Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so today we're tackling a really massive challenge for ambitious professionals: how to successfully translate your transferable skills when you're moving into an entirely new industry. We're going to explore a high-level system for completely rebuilding your personal brand and resume using targeted AI prompts. The goal? To make sure you don't just look like another candidate, but an undeniable asset.
So let's dive into this experience paradox. It's incredibly frustrating, right? You've got the skills, you have the leadership background, and you know for a fact you can do the job. But without that direct, one-to-one industry experience, well, your resume just gets rejected. You're basically caught in this loop where automated systems and recruiters immediately filter you out just because your past titles don't perfectly match their current search queries. Your deep expertise is literally getting lost in translation.
We're going to solve this using the Career Optimization System map. It covers Phase 1, Strategic Brand Summary, Phase 2, Skill Translation Mapping, and Phase 3, Metric-Driven Results. Let's jump straight into Phase 1, Strategic Brand Summary, or as I like to call it, beating the ATS filter. To get past those automated ATS filters and actually captivate human eyes, you need a highly targeted prompt. You can use this exact framework with AI tools to completely rewrite your professional summary. Notice the specific language we're using here. You're forcing the AI to position you as an industry solution provider rather than just, a hopeful applicant. And you're telling it to weave in 3 to 5 critical keywords completely naturally. It's all about creating a compelling career narrative right out of the gate.
Now here's a huge tip. The geographical layout of your resume is absolutely crucial. To break that ATS filter, you really must place those critical keywords from the job posting right in the top third of your document. That prime real estate immediately triggers ATS approval and captures the recruiter's attention in those vital first 10 seconds. You also need to ensure the AI uses industry-specific terminology. That proves you belong in this new space and gets you past both the machine and the human review without having to rely on vague, wordy introductions.
Okay, moving right along to Phase 2, Skill Translation Mapping. This is all about finding the universal competencies.
We need to seamlessly translate what you've done in the past into what your new target industry actually needs right now. So the crucial point is using this career switch translator prompt to audit your history. When you feed your current resume and the new job description into the AI with this prompt, you're asking it to identify universal competencies and transferable achievements. You are literally instructing the AI to flip your lack of direct experience into a unique competitive advantage. It builds this logical progression showing exactly why your diverse background makes you a stronger candidate, not a weaker one.
To really flesh this out, you want to act as a skill map designer. Ask the AI to map your essential skills to the target role, and make sure it matches both the stated and the unstated job requirements. Have it extract and list the top 10 skills needed for your new target position, specifically based on what hiring managers in that space actually look for. Then, group these beautifully into technical expertise and leadership abilities. This creates a highly balanced presentation of both hard and soft skills and connects your past theoretical knowledge straight to their practical application.
Now for Phase 3, Metric-Driven Results. Subtitle: Injecting Action and Impact.
This brings us to the absolute make-or-break part of your entire pivot strategy: overhauling your experience section. If your resume just lists your daily responsibilities, well, it's failing. We see this all the time. You have to run an audit to identify and fix vague descriptions that completely lack concrete impact or leadership evidence. Don't just tell them what you were supposed to do. You have to show them the impact of what you actually did. Just listen to the difference here. Instead of a generic duty like managed a team and helped increase sales, you need specific action verbs and measurable results. Something like, led a 5-person team using targeted outreach, driving 15% revenue growth. You see that? You're transforming a basic task into a specific, measurable business contribution. When you rewrite your work history to focus on measurable metrics like revenue growth or time efficiency, you instantly shift from being a passive employee to a dynamic driver of results. To get that kind of high-level output, you're going to use this Results Story Builder prompt. This basically forces the AI to create those highly effective before and after scenarios. It ensures every single bullet point has a specific metric, a team size, a budget scope, or a project scale attached to it. You're asking the AI to convert those work experiences into powerful result statements, replacing generic duties with specific revenue, efficiency, and growth metrics.
The sources we analyzed are crystal clear on this.
implementing what they call the TQR approach. That's tasks, quantification, results, can literally 10x your chances of being hired. By systematically upgrading your experience section with action verbs, measurable results, and the exact keywords recruiters in your new industry are searching for, well, you're proving your value in their native language.
Actually, before we wrap, I want to leave you with a vital mindset shift. Tools don't create content. Systems create leverage. Remember, momentum matters way more than perfection here. AI tools alone don't just wave a magic wand and create an irresistible profile. But using them within this systematic three-phase framework removes all that decision fatigue and creates massive career leverage. So as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to look at your own professional profile and ask yourself, which part of this career translation system will make the biggest difference in your next pivot? Is it placing those keywords right up there in the top third? Is it finally replacing those generic duties with specific before and after scenarios involving measurable metrics? Or maybe it's reframing your diverse background as your ultimate competitive advantage? Take these prompts, build your system, and unlock the door to your new industry. Which step will you take first?